Hi everyone, it's Alissa Todd, financial advisor, bringing you weekly money tips. We've all heard about cleaning out our home or office, but when was the last time that you cleaned out your financial house? Money can be a major source of stress, but only if you let it. And here are 3 ways to declutter your financial house and gain control of your money so that you can live the life you love. 1. Understand your expenses. Take inventory of all of your bills and expenses, which generally fall into 3 categories: fixed, variable, and periodic. Use those expenses to create a budget. Think of a budget as a tool to promote positive financial change, and it allows you to spend money in a more intentional and meaningful way. Check out my videos on understanding expenses and creating a budget to learn more, and I'll link those videos in the description box below. The second thing that you can do to clean up your financial house is to review your investment accounts and insurance policies. Make sure that all of your investments and insurances are still appropriate for your goals. It's a good practice to review all of your financial accounts at an annual basis at a minimum. And while you're at it, make sure that you update your beneficiaries, especially if you've had a major life change such as a divorce, had a child, or gotten married. The third thing that you can do is to create a plan to pay off your debt. In order to do so, you must have a very clear picture of your current overall debt situation. So create a list of all the debts that you have, whether that's credit cards, student loans, personal loans, along with the amount owed, interest rate, length of term, and the payment due date. Decide whether you will use the avalanche or snowball method, and I've done a video on that, so do go check that out. And then take action by making additional payments to the debt that you've decided to pay off first, while maintaining the minimum payment amounts to your other debts. And celebrate all of your wins along your debt reduction journey. So those are 3 things that you can do to declutter your financial house. Money can be an amazing tool to live the life you love and achieve your definition of true wealth. If you want to make money work for you instead of the other way around, or simply get a second opinion on your current finances, let's get connected. You can reach out to me, send me a message, or schedule a time for us to talk using the link in the description box below.